Hi kids! Today I am going to review the Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures helicopter. With this helicopter, you can take off and explore the world during your playtime. And here is Barbie. As you can see, here is a Barbie logo on the front of the helicopter, and there are 2 controller sticks for this helicopter. Here are lots of gadgets which are needed to control the chopper and the back rotors. And of course, there are seat belts. I think it's a wonderful vehicle for your Barbies. This toy copter's colors are the same as your Barbie dolls, with these bright pink, blue, and silvery accents. Let's see Barbie. Wow, nice dress. Here is another Barbie logo. The seats look super cool. You can spin the rotors on top of the helicopter. Okay, let's get into the helicopter. Now the seat belts. I really like this design. Oh! One, 2, 3, take off!
Let's go!
The cool thing is, there are 2 seats, so Barbie can use it with her friend, Rapunzel. Hello, Barbie. Is this your new helicopter? Let's try it. I'm getting in. The seat belts. This helicopter was inspired by the Barbie Dreamhouse Adventure video series, so you can peek into the everyday life of Barbie as she embarks on exciting adventures with her family and friends, and make up your own stories as they explore the world. Wow! Let's try it in the garden. I really like this helicopter. That was cool! What will you do with this helicopter? If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye!